Hey, in this video, we will discuss 5 things that will convince you why getting AIGP certified is important for you. So let's take a look. So these days, we are not just talking about AI, we are talking about AGI. AGI means Artificial General Intelligence. And if you look at the trends, we are rapidly moving towards AGI. Big tech giants like OpenAI, Google, and Hugging Face have already launched their own AGI trackers to monitor the progress. And it's being said that AGI is inevitable, possibly arriving in the next few years or even earlier. Where earlier we were happy getting ChatGPT to draft an email, writing the summaries, same ChatGPT has become agentic. It can now do deep research, draft the email, check your calendar, and even schedule the meeting on your behalf. But that's a good thing, right? Yes or no? The speed of development is matched by the speed of rising risk, and these risks are becoming more and more dangerous. Recently, a tool built on Replit accidentally wiped out an entire software company's database. OpenAI itself has warned that ChatGPT agents could potentially assist in bioweapon development. Now, just think, if we don't have certified experts to control this, where will the world end up? Then look at the regulations. The EU Commission has gone all in, and even the US has released its own AI action plan. Now there are laws being written for AI, and to understand and implement them, we need professionals who understand both AI and law. Luckily, AIGP covers all of this in its syllabus, which is the beauty of it. That's another reason why you should clear AIGP. Another important reason, a large number of jobs are getting automated. If you are a software developer or in the middle senior management, your job is under threat, especially if you don't understand agentic AI. In such a scenario, AIGP offers a solid technical functional path, one that can't be fully automated because we still need a human in the loop. And once you prepare for it, you get a full roadmap to AI governance plus a valuable skill added to your CV. Fifth and most important, jobs, jobs, and jobs. Everywhere you look, AIGP jobs are popping up. This exam isn't very old, but it has already made space in job descriptions. We are seeing around 10-15 new job openings every week across the world, and right now the supply is far lower than the demand, making it a very exciting field to pursue. So, for these 5 reasons, the AIGP exam could be a great opportunity for you.